This is our Carneros region, Sonoma Valley. Sonoma Valley is 17 miles long. It starts just down the road here and extends that direction. There are two parallel valleys, Sonoma Valley and Napa Valley, and they're separated by that mountain range, which we call the Mayacamas. Yeah. Now we have a lot of maritime, a lot of ocean influences in this valley. We have the Pacific Ocean. The Pacific Ocean is to our west. And then the San Pablo Bay, just above San Francisco, is to our south here. The winds are channeled through this area, and then they make their way to the interior valley.
In California, Napa and Sonoma are usually distinctly different, and the Carneros region bridges that gap, which is wonderful. It's the only appellation that actually has, vineyards in both.
The Sonoma Valley is unique in that there are a number of different temperatures between north and the south of the valley itself. We're in the southern part of the valley, the Carneros region, where we have a lot of influence from the ocean and the bay here, and a lot of fog. So this is a very cool part of the valley.
We're categorized as a Region 1. Not quite as cool as Champagne, but cooler than Burgundy. And this creates a very long growing season for us. We have early varieties like Pinot Noir and Chardonnay that do very well in this climate. And we have very foggy mornings and very windy afternoons. So the grapes have a difficult time achieving ripeness. And it takes a longer season to get our grapes ripe. So with the grapes hanging there for a longer time, we have more maturity, more color, more flavor that develops before the sugars come up to a point where we have to harvest. That's what makes wines that are very unique here in Carneros.
This element of fog that goes up to a level of 800 feet, and then it has this blanket of protection that keeps the vineyards cool. It cools them down at night and keeps them cool in the morning, so that during the day it can benefit from all the photosynthesis of the sun, but yet have a longer hang time so that the flavors can ripen in the grapes.
So this is very, very volcanic in nature. In the lower areas where it had once been a seabed, you have much denser soils and even a clay further down the road. So there are different types of soils. The key thing is having the right grape in the right location.